Ram updates and revamps its full-size pickup for 2025. A brand new twin-turbocharged inline-six with 420 or 540 horsepower has replaced the Hemi V-8. The truck's exterior stylistic changes are slight, but they make it look more modern and attractive than ever. The update includes new lighting features, wheel designs, and a fresh color palette. The Ram 1500 offers enormous passenger room, and incredibly useful cubby stowage within. The Ram seems more like a luxury car than a pickup truck with the addition of premium materials and creature comforts in higher trims, especially the new tungsten top model. The most premium models have real wood accents and superior leather surfaces, while the majority of vehicles come equipped with luxurious features like a panoramic sunroof and heated and ventilated seats. The tungsten variant includes numerous luxury features, including a 23-speaker Klipsch audio system and front seats that are 24 ways adjustable with massaging. The Ram 1500's crew cab is incredibly roomy, just like the majority of full-size pickup trucks. It also features a unique split folding tailboard and an abundance of inside storage. Although the extended cab body design only fits with the 6-foot 4-inch cargo bed, the 5-foot 7-inch cargo bed is also an option. Ram trucks have had some of the greatest infotainment systems and connectivity options available in their class. The newest trucks carry on with that, with a 12.0-inch touchscreen that is responsive or an optional 14.5-inch touchscreen. Both systems include a larger touchscreen with a few unnecessary knobs and buttons, and they are compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There is also a 10.3-inch passenger display with entertainment and navigation capabilities. The 2025 Ram 1500 varies in price from $42,270 to $89,070, depending on the trim and options. The 2025 Ram 1500 has a maximum towing capability of 11,580 pounds. Compared to competing pickups from Ford and Chevrolet, which both presently weigh over 13,000 pounds, that is less. The new Ram Charger plug-in hybrid, which can tow 14,000 pounds, is a viable option if you're looking for a Ram that can tow more. The Ram HD series, which is more powerful, has a maximum towing capability of 37,090 pounds. The new turbocharged inline-six Ram's EPA fuel economy estimates start at 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Adding four-wheel drive reduces each figure by 1 mpg. The Ram 1500 has an abundance of driver assistance features, ranging from automated emergency braking to lane keeping assist. Some versions can be equipped with Ram's advanced adaptive cruise control technology, which includes a hands-free driving mode.